Hey everyone, today we're taking a closer look at Builder AI, the platform that claims to let anyone build an app without needing to code. Sounds pretty amazing, right? But the big question is, does Builder AI really deliver on its promises, or is it just another overhyped tech service? Let's break it all down. So, what exactly is Builder AI? At its core, it's an AI powered app development platform that helps individuals and businesses turn ideas into apps quickly using pre built templates and automation. Instead of hiring an expensive development team from scratch, Builder AI positions itself as a faster, more affordable solution, letting you choose features, design elements, and integrations through a simplified interface. On the positive side, Builder AI is user-friendly and makes the app creation process feel much less intimidating. You don't need coding knowledge, and the platform walks you through each step. The cost is often lower than hiring a full development agency, and many customers appreciate the ability to build MVPs and prototypes quickly. The company also promotes flexible payment options, ongoing support, and the power of AI to keep projects on track. But here's the flip side. While Builder AI sounds great in theory, real customer experiences are mixed. Some users praise it for saving time and money, but others complain about delays, hidden costs, and communication issues during the development process. Like many no code solutions, it works well for straightforward apps, but if your project is complex or highly customized, Builder AI might not meet all your expectations. So, is Builder AI a scam or legit? Based on its track record and global presence, it's definitely a legitimate company, not a scam. However, it's not a magic wand that guarantees flawless results. Think of it as a tool great for certain types of projects, but not a one size fits all solution. If you go in with realistic expectations and a clear idea of what you want, Builder AI can be a solid option. That's my honest breakdown. Builder AI is legit, but it comes with both strengths and limitations, so weigh your needs carefully before jumping. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you all in the next video.